Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the Inductrix FPV from Horizon Hobby. And I bought this set because it was a super bargain. It's the Mode 1 version and nobody was buying the Mode 1 version, so I got it like for half the price of the Mode 2 version. And it actually comes with a screen, with a built-in receiver as well. So like stuff you can actually use. So that's why I went for it. So, speed cable, manuals, we'll get this there, put this aside, and there is just here. Okay, so put this aside. We got the antenna. It says 5.8. Charge before use, so we don't run it dry, I guess. That's the charge port. Demon power's on. Nice. Good. I guess I will leave this on. It's actually a very nice monitor. Okay, so then we have the star of the show. The Inductrix FPV. Libo inside. For size comparison, I have like a E10 race flight mixture. It's a prototype board, F4, and it runs the Spectrum. So serial telemetry receiver. So this is like the super heavy version, and this like super light. Well, not super light, but for Bionfly, it is. Okay, so let's put this aside again. Oh, let's just. I'm curious. That's with battery and without 22.1 gram. I'm not entirely sure. I have super light builds as well, but I don't remember wherever they are. So let's put this aside again. And this aside here. So let's look at the remote. Obviously, it's not Mode 1. It's Mode 1 and not Mode 2. Like it looks like it has a switch here, but it does not. So we'll open it up and see if I can switch it around, like move the spring to the other side. Should be possible, I think. Let's see. Then we have the charger for the 1S pack. And the mount for the display on here. So like this. So I have HDOs, so I probably will use those in my generator. Why not try those? Well, let's take a look inside here. How the bind process works. The manual, every different languages. This is something I don't understand. Let's see if I can find trim. That's German. That's English, I think. Let's get a quick glance over it. Pause and watch it in 4K. We can zoom in and maybe read everything, not sure. Just like that. And like that. Measure. And those are pretty much battery related stuff, I think. Feels like if they are closely like this, it's always battery stuff. Be careful. Warning with ion batteries. So this is like, looks different. I'm not sure this is really necessary to show this, but why not? Limited warranty, nobody cares about that. Garantie la irregular. Okay, and here are the frequencies of the quad. So this is like, it has race band. That's the most important thing. I think race band is like, you need to have race band. And you can switch around channels with the button here. That's pretty cool. So I think, why not just give it a run? I mean, it's going to be pretty much depleted, but I don't care. So let's put the batteries inside here. Minus and plus. Minus and plus. That looks good. Then let's power on the monitor. Let's put this in front of here so we get something in the view of the camera. And let's see what channel we are. It's actually picking something up. Oh, that's good loud. Let's see if I can mute it here. Yeah, okay. Don't need to hear it static. So what I messed up here is I need to power it on first and then plug it in. Because if it doesn't find a remote within a few seconds, it will not work. So it says it's running out of battery, but it's actually still looking for something. So get a black screen here, so I'm just gonna go through it now on the quad. I feel like it was closed. Or maybe it's just I have the lens cap on. That's like the newest mistake ever. So maybe I can put it like this. So I'm in mode 2, guys, so I'm having quite some difficulties flying like this with a chip. Ooh, and now it's like yaw is on this side. Oh my god, I'm so messed up. So I won't do it. So much for that. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.